a German intertitle marking the beginning of an ambitious cultural exchange in an era tinged with alliances and ambitions. It's 1938, and in Kokuhara, Japan, German Hitler Youth (HJ) troops have arrived, their crisp white uniforms stark against the Japanese landscape, embodying both curiosity and authority. They are here to witness a new world of training and tradition, a prelude to their growing bond with the East. In Kokuhara's training grounds, Japanese soldiers engage in vigorous drills, marching in formation, precise shooting exercises, and rhythmic drumming that fills the air. The German youth watch intently, absorbing these foreign customs and skills with a blend of awe and respect. They're introduced not only to the military rigor they know well, but to the unique rhythms of a foreign culture, bonded by shared ideals of discipline and loyalty. The journey takes them deeper into Japan's heart. The Hitler Youth visit the sacred Ise Shrine, marching across bridges and through winding streets, flanked by traditional Japanese homes and bustling shops. The streets are filled with locals who observe the foreign guests with a mix of curiosity and polite distance. The Hitler Youth move on, journeying to scenic lakes by boat and marveling at tourist sites that blend the beauty of nature with ancient traditions. Off the coast of Toba, divers plunge into the depths, returning to the surface with glistening Mikimoto pearls. In a close-up shot, a German youth cradles 4 of these rare treasures, each gleaming orb a symbol of the alliance between 2 distant worlds. The German youth integrate into ceremonial events, mingling with Japanese participants dressed in traditional garb, a collision of German uniformity and Japanese heritage. They share meals, fish together, and stand side by side at parades where Japanese and Nazi flags wave in unison above the streets. In a stadium, the Hitler Youth sit as spectators, captivated by the Japanese military drills performed below, a mirror of their own disciplined routines, yet filled with a distinctly Japanese style and energy. They continue their tour, visiting shrines, trekking the countryside, and joining the locals in casual celebrations. A German youth playfully tickles a Japanese toddler along the road, a fleeting moment of innocence in a larger, far weightier scene. The young Germans walk through villages and farmlands, observing the local life with an intensity that suggests both curiosity and quiet respect. In Kobe, they watch Japanese students demonstrate calisthenics and athletic prowess, routines that echo the discipline they too hold in high regard. At the invitation of local laborers, the Hitler Youth tie on bandanas emblazoned with the Japanese symbol, bending to dig fervently in the soil, a collaborative gesture of respect and shared values. It's the final act of their journey, a physical symbol of their unity with the Japanese. The film ends at a bustling harbor where hundreds of Japanese waving small flags gather to see their visitors off. The German youth wave back, exchanging smiles and nods with the locals. A German intertitle marks the end. After a rough autumn in Kobe, the Hitler Youth depart Japan, leaving behind a memory of camaraderie and shared purpose that will, for them, remain vivid as they return to Europe.